if it is a directed graph, so we have to mention that Euclidean path and Euclidean graph, that is all vertices with non-zero degree belong to a single strongly connected components. That means all must be connected. That's all. That is what is strongly connected, that we'll discuss later. So if you are having a path, then in degree is equal to the out degree of every vertices. What is in degree and out degree? So if you consider an edge, so if it is an arrow, that is here you are having two in degree edges, that means one incoming arrow, then you have to need one outgoing arrow. So this is called in degree. How many arc pointing to a particular vertices? So here the in degree of this one is 2. So the in degree of this one is 2, out degree is 1. So out degree means, so that means it is going out. So that is the edges going out of the arc is called, that is the vertices is called out degree. So the out degree of this particular vertices is out degree of this one is 1. Is it clear? In degree means how many arc touches the vertices is called in degree. So here the in degree of this one is 2, not 1. So in degree of this one is 2, out degree is 1. Okay, so here we have to find out. So now you have to find out. So here whether the graph is a Euclidean circuit or not. The first step you have to find out the in degree whether incoming edge and outgoing edges are same or not. Here the in degree is, here I have to represent the in degree is 1. Here the in degree is, the in degree of this one is 1 1. In degree is 1. Here what is in degree? What is in degree of this one? Or in degree of C, in degree of C 1 2, in degree is 2. So here D, for D in degree is also 2. Now I want to calculate the out degree. So out degree of, for this node, out degree is 1. So here the out degree of this particular node, out degree is 1 2. So here the in degree is wrong. In degree is also 2, because 2 incoming edges, so you have to consider these 2 incoming edges. So you are having the in degree is also 2. So the out degree of this one is out degree is 1. Here the out degree of this one is the out degree 1 2. That is 2 outgoing edges. So here the out degree of this one is, for this out degree of this one is 2. So here is 1, here is 1. So the concept, that is the definition, that is the first condition is correct. All the nodes are connected. Then the in degree and out degree are same. So that means the first condition are strongly connected. So it is all are connected. Second one is, so you want to check in and out degree is same. In and out degree of all nodes are same, out degree are same. So we want to find out the you have to find out the Euclidean circuit. So here already I told, here we have to use two stack I want to use. One is entry stack, another one is I want to use the, another one is my path stack. So here I have to use two stack. One is a entry stack. Here I have to give the name. This is for entry stack. This is my path stack. Here I have to use. So now I want to start it from any places. So assume that here A, B, C, D, R is available. So I want to start it from this place. So I want to start it from A. So for starting place, I want to push A into the stack. So here I have to consider only the outgoing edges from this, from A. So this is from this place. My outgoing edge, I am having two outgoing edges. So I have to select this one. So A to B. So B is here. I have to add B into the stack. Then from B, it is possible to go only one place. So I have to go to this particular place C. So I have to add C into this location. So from C, I maybe go to D or I have to go to A. So I have to for this case for our case. So assume that I will move from here to here. I will go to A. So now I have to put my A is in my stack. So after reaching this from A, any other outgoing edges are available. From A, any outgoing edges are available. So from A, it is available R. So I have to add R to this. So from R, any outgoing edges from R, I am having D. So I have to add D into the stack. So from D, any outgoing edge, assume that I have to select A. So here I have to put it A here. So that is I have to put A here. That means up to this the visitor nodes are, so this is visited, this is visited, this is visited, this. So you have to put these things are visited. So from A, so I will check any outgoing edges. All outgoing edges, only two outgoing edges are there. Two outgoing edges are already visited. So I want to pop this, that is I have to remove from this, then added to the path. So after that D is available. So I have to check from D any path is available. So from D I am having D to C is available. So I have to use this. I have to consider. So add C into the stack. So I have to add C into the stack. From C any outgoing edges are available. So from C I am having the edge from C to D is available. So that is I have to put add D into here. So now I know that all are visited. So both the marks means it is little confusing. So I have to remove all the things. So I want to start it from A. I have to add A into the stack. So from A only two outgoing edges. So I have to select B. So I have to consider this. I have to add B to the stack. So after that from B, B is the top of the stack. So I have to consider from B only one outgoing edges, that is go to C. So I have to put C here. Now from C, I want to check. From C, I maybe select this path or this one. Any path I have to select it. So consider I have to select this A. So that is from C, I have to put it as A. So added A here. So in A, any outgoing edge is there. Here it is outgoing edge R is there. So I have to put here. So this is visitor. Then I have to add R into the stack. So after reach R, so from R, R is the top of the stack. From R, I will check any outgoing edges. Here R to D is available. So I have to put D here. So I have to after put D. So from D, any outgoing edges is available. From A, C, both are available. So for our law, I have to select A here. So I have to put A here. So from now I have to check A is on the top of the stack. I will check from A any outgoing edges. Only two outgoing edges. So I have to remove A from the stack. So I have to remove A from the stack and I have to add this to the path. So I have to add A. Next one is D. So here D we are having the one outgoing edge is available. So I have to mark D to C is visited. So I have to put add C to the stack. So I have to add C to the stack. From C to D is available. So I have to consider this one. So I have to add D to the stack. So here I know that all are visited. So simply I have to stop and I have to pop all the values from this place and I have to add it to this into all the things into here to here. So that means the top of the value is D, then C, then D, R, A, C, B, A. B, A. So I have to pop all the things and added here. Now I have to this nuclear path or nuclear circuit. So here we are having two odd degrees are available. So it is the uh, so now I have to write A to B, then so I have to simply pop and write. Simply I have to pop and write all the values here. So that means here I have to write A, A to B, B to C, C to A, or B, C, B, A. So it is starting and ending with same vertices. So it is a nuclear path. Nuclear path and nuclear circuit is available. Now you will check starting from A to B, B to C, C to A, then A to R to D, then D to C, C to D, D to A. That means all the edges are here. You are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to consider here it is. You have to write how many edges are there. 1, 2, 3. So I have to write the edges is A to B, one edge, B to C, another edge, C to A to R to B, 5, B to C, 6, 7, 8. So we are having 8 edges. All the edges are added into your circuit. So the given graph contains nuclear circuit. If it is a directed graph, you have to check whether it is having even degree. So that means the in degree and out degree are same. Then all are connected. So then you have to identify nuclear circuit. Is it clear how we have to identify the nuclear circuit?